And that's how you can generate videos using Veo 3.1 for free and without any limits. Yes, with the help of these two powerful AI tools, you can even use the super powerful Veo 3.1 completely free and generate as many videos as you want. But the real question is, how? Let's start with the first tool, LM Arena. You can think of this AI tool as a strong alternative to many premium AI platforms. When you generate videos here, the output not only includes high-quality visuals, but you also get excellent sound generation, which makes the videos feel much more polished. And the best part? You can generate as many videos as you want completely free. All you have to do is click on the video option, paste your prompt here, and press enter. That's it. Within a few seconds, the system generates two different video versions for you. Now you can simply watch both results and download the one you like the most. If you like both, download both. Just click here and save them. But here's the interesting part. You can also generate unlimited videos using Veo 3.1, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works in a moment. For now, if you want to create another video, simply go back, paste your next video prompt, and press enter again. And look at this result. In my prompt, I asked the AI to create an entire world made of paper, and the output matched the idea almost perfectly. The visual quality is genuinely impressive. Now, if you've used other AI video tools before, you've probably noticed something annoying. Many of them add watermarks to the generated videos. But don't worry, I'm also going to share a very powerful trick that lets you remove any unwanted object, including watermarks, from a video. Now let's talk about the second powerful AI tool, which is Qwen AI. This one is actually my personal favorite, and in a moment you'll understand exactly why. First, you simply need to sign up. Once you're inside, you'll notice several tools below the text box. And interestingly, many of these features aren't even available in some paid AI platforms. For example, you'll see options like image editing, deep thinking, search, website development, and many more. But for our workflow, we only need two features: image generation and video generation. Let's start with image generation. Click on it, paste your image prompt, select your preferred resolution, and then hit generate. Within just a few seconds, this powerful AI tool creates a beautiful high-quality image for you. And if you want to download it, simply click here and save it in high resolution. But what if you want to generate a high-quality video with voice included? This tool can handle that as well. For that, just click on video generation and paste your video prompt right here. Click here and choose whether you want to generate a horizontal video or a vertical video. Once you've selected that, simply press enter. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate a high-quality video for you. And honestly, among free tools, this one produces some of the best video results you'll find. You can download the video by clicking right here. And the output is genuinely impressive, especially considering that most free AI tools simply can't produce videos at this level of quality. Now let's say you already have an image and you want to animate it into a video. That's possible here as well. First, click here and upload your image. Then paste the animation prompt describing how you want the image to move. After that, simply click generate. And within a short time, your image to video animation will be ready. If you want the links for all these tools, including the Veo 3.1 access link, you'll find everything on my Telegram channel, so you can grab them from there. Now our next tool is Veo 3.1. But before we move ahead, tell me something in the comments. Where are you watching this video from? And here's a small challenge. The best comment will get pinned, so it stays right at the top of the comment section. Alright, now let's move forward. First, open the Gemini business website. I had already created several accounts earlier because I usually create accounts using temporary email services. In fact, using temp mail is the easiest way to create accounts here instead of using your personal Google Gmail account. Click on add another account. Here you'll enter your temporary email address, then click continue with email. An OTP will be sent to your temp mail. Enter that OTP here. Once you confirm it, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Now simply choose a good display name, continue forward, and you'll land on this page. If you want to use Veo, click right here. You'll see options like Nano Banana Pro along with Veo. Click continue with Veo. Now if you want to create a text to video, simply paste your video prompt here and press enter. That's it, simple. Now we just wait a few seconds and your video will be ready. Once it's generated, you can simply click here to download it. The results from this website are actually very impressive. The video quality is solid, and considering it's a free tool, the output is surprisingly good. However, there is one small issue you should know about. When you create image to video, the tool sometimes doesn't perfectly maintain the consistency of the original image. Let me show you an example. I have an image here. I'll upload it first. Then I'll paste the animation prompt describing what should happen in the video and press enter. After a short wait, the video will be generated. But if you compare the result carefully, you'll notice something. The final video looks a bit different from the original image. The AI slightly changes the appearance instead of keeping everything perfectly consistent. You can see the difference clearly. That's why this tool works extremely well for text to video. But for image to video consistency, it's not always perfect. Still, since it's free and powerful, it's definitely worth using. Now let's talk about about another common problem. Sometimes when you generate images or animate videos using AI tools, the output contains unwanted objects, maybe a watermark, an extra element, or something that simply shouldn't be there. And many people struggle to remove those objects. So here's a simple solution. For this, download this app from the Play Store. Once you open the app, you'll see 3 options. Click on Select Video, then choose the video from which you want to remove the unwanted object. After that, use this selection box tool to highlight the object you want to remove, just like this. Once the object is selected, click Save, choose 1080p resolution, and then tap the check icon, and that's it. Your video will be saved without the unwanted object. Now, if you want to discover even more powerful text-to-video and image-to-video AI tools, then you should definitely watch this next video. In that video, I've revealed 6 insanely powerful AI tools that can create next-level videos and visuals. Go watch that video right now.